At Crescent Healthcare, we believe in supporting accessible travel through strong clinical partnerships. With the Juvo self-propelled folding shower commode and airline-ready travel bag, we're helping people live with dignity, comfort, and independence wherever life takes them. Our purpose is to empower people with disability to embrace life's possibilities. In this case study, a patient living with paraplegia regained the confidence to travel freely, turning what once felt impossible into meaningful experiences and cherished memories. For this patient, travel was an overwhelming experience. With limited access to toileting and showering, every journey required meticulous planning. Each trip carried a constant sense of anxiety and discouragement, and over time, travel became a restriction, not a shared experience. In collaboration with the care team, we introduced a portable folding shower commode and an airline-ready travel bag with wheels. To ensure a precise fit, we selected the most suitable frame width and added customizable accessories that addressed individual care requirements. This solution ensured that the patient's toileting and showering needs could be met reliably while away from home. This meant freedom from constant planning and anxiety, and the confidence to travel safely, comfortably, and with dignity. This turned into opportunities to reconnect, celebrate, and create lasting memories. For the patient, the result was life-changing. It removed the barriers that once made travel overwhelming, making holidays and family trips possible again. Beyond practicality, the equipment restored freedom, empowering the patient to travel with confidence, comfort, and dignity. Upon discovering the Juvo foldable shower commode, the patient shared life-changing feedback. Before, I felt limited in where I could go. Now with the commode and travel bag, I can travel with confidence and independence, even on airlines. Experience the Juvo commode firsthand through our on-site demonstrations. Book a demo today and empower your patients to travel with dignity.